Ritrovato Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disassemble your BlackBerry Curve 8520 cellular phone for change the display or any other parts. This first, you need to do few things. You have to take out the back cover, to take out the battery. If you have any SIM, any memory card, take those out. After that, these two sides we have two screw. Let me show you a bit fine. Here inside, those are star screw, and for this I'm gonna use star screwdriver, a flat headed screwdriver. This one, as you see, maybe in some case we will need. Okay, now I'm gonna lose these two screw. Here we are. As you see, this is a star screwdriver. Okay, now I'm gonna lose those two screw. Okay, after taking these two screw out, now I'm gonna use this flat-headed screwdriver, put this one under this display protector. Is something else. This is very soft. Take this out. And as you see, this is coming out. It's fine, I think. Okay, we should put something screwdriver at the middle. Try to take this out if you have this one, some extra sort of cover. Okay, it's coming out. Okay, and underneath this we have two screw, as you see, 1 2. You have to take these two screw out too. In some version of 8520 you don't have this, but in most of the version you have this one. Okay, put this one side. Now put a credit card here and try to take this cover out without damaging your phone. Do gently. Okay, this is coming out from some side. It was here. Okay, take this out. Now take the keypad out. It's fine. Here we are, the button, and now we have two more screw inside, 1 and 2. After that we can go, not exactly 2, 1 2 3 and 4 screw more, so we can go to, we can get access to motherboard after this 4. Okay, after doing this, okay, now after, with the help of a screwdriver, okay, as you see, the main board is coming out. As you see, here we are. If you want to change display, here you have some connector. This side you have one lock. You have to take this lock out a little bit more, and as you see, the display is coming out. But before that, here you have some connector of the display. Use the flat screwdriver, take this connector off, and display is coming out. As you see, this is the connector of display. If you want to change display, you can change this one. Here is the display. Okay, it's fine. So this is how you can do disassemble to your BlackBerry 8520 for change display or any other parts if you want. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the IRS Communication, www.irscommunication.com. Have a nice evening. Ciao.